Why you wanna fly, blackbird? You ain't ever gonna fly. No place big enough for holding all the tears you're gonna cry.
Why you want to sing, blackbird? You ain't never gonna sing aloud.
Why you wanna fly?
You ain't got no business singing.
The racist stereotype that you refuse to be boxed into as your voice.
'Cause your mama's name was Lonely, and your daddy's name was Pain. And they call you Little Sorrow, 'cause you'll never love again.
Why you want to fight, blackbird? You ain't never gonna fight enough.
Why you wanna fly?
How many fight you gonna fight?
White privilege has rigged a war you cannot win, so you remain defeated.
Blackbird? So why you wanna fly, blackbird? You ain't ever gonna fly.
Why you wanna live, blackbird? You ain't never gonna leave
Why you wanna fly?
Is this living?
Artificial powers have a path for your skin color.
Why you wanna fly,
Conform
blackbird?
or strive in vain.
You ain't got no one to hold you. You ain't got no one to care. If you don't
Fly? Why you wanna fly, blackbird? Why you want to fly, blackbird? You ain't never gonna fly high. You ain't going nowhere.
White fragility will chip at your wings
why
till
you wanna
you
fly,
fall
blackbird?
from the sky.